How to block adult websites on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and here scroll down and tap on the screen time option you see there. Further, scroll down again and then tap on content and privacy restrictions option you see there. Now, in content and privacy restrictions page, tap on the App Store Media, Web and Games option you see there and then go ahead and select the web content option you see there. Now, in order to block adult websites, simply go ahead and select the limit adult websites option you see there, and you can then go ahead and add in the websites if you want by simply tapping on the add website option you see there, and once you've added, those websites will be restricted. So this was about how you can limit adult websites on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.